Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. So friends, today I will show you how to draw a realistic hair using charcoal pencil. Watch video till the end so that you can also get help. Let's start. Well, it was 1 hour video in real time, so that's why I made a little bit fast. Otherwise it would much long. So we have to apply the first layer in the hair direction with the light pressure. Now I'm blending it with brush. We can use any makeup brush for blending. So I will use again soft charcoal pencil and observe where is deeper and stroke accordingly. Most notable thing is that our pencil should be well sharp. We will apply pressure for this layer and then we'll apply stroke in the direction of hairs. So we have to see that how dark is our photo in reference. Accordingly, we will apply the stroke and blend it. Just it is the process. Now I will use Tombow Mono Eraser for hair highlight and then apply some stroke which will make hair look realistic. So as you can see, I have drawn this using complete soft charcoal pencil, and it look realistic too. I have also uploaded a video that how can draw hair by using graphite pencil, so you can check my channel for that. And I hope you guys help with this video. Then I will meet with next helpful topic. Till they keep learning, and thank you so much for watching.